I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off your caller ID on iPhone and show your number as private. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down this menu and then tap Apps. Step 2. Tap Phone in this list of options. Step 3. Navigate to the Calls section and then tap Show My Caller ID. Step 4. Tap to toggle off Show My Caller ID. Going forward, your number will be displayed as either private, no caller ID, blocked, or unknown, depending on that person's phone and carrier. It's important to note that your caller ID will still be displayed for emergency services such as 911 and toll-free numbers such as 800 numbers, as these are required to see the originating call number for safety and billing purposes. Another important thing to be aware of is that this change does not affect text messages, and when you send an iMessage, the recipient will still see the email or phone number associated with your Apple ID. One risk to keep in mind with this is that if someone has their device set up to ignore unknown callers, you'll get routed to voicemail automatically. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.